Yes, this is Kalyan Pandit, and you are going to listen from me. Aquarius Daily Horoscope, September 7 and 8 also. And see, there are some powerful points of the way you work today, but at the same time, you seem to be wasting a lot of potential on fighting battles there aren't even yours to fight. You are way too stubborn in connection to to the behavior of your colleagues by don't really seem to understand that this is not your problem to solve, and you are only making your life worse than this only making your life worse with them. I'm sorry. And this is so have to be careful, and September 7 is over, and my request is just subscribe me. And let's move to September 8, a day full of activities and meeting a lot of different people from all walks of life. While at the beginning you might be excited of these prospects, as the day progresses you might feel as if all the agitation prevents you from hearing your own thoughts. But maybe this is actually the point, having the occasion to focus on others instead of yourself one. So September 8th is completed. Let's see the September 9th. That's what goes around needs to come around, and this is exactly what is going to happen to you in regards to something you did to your loved one. And perhaps you have been forgiven for that thing and completely forgot about it. But it's either fate or the particular person that haven't forgot and are back in the game. So, and coming to September 10, you need to get to work as soon as possible in the morning if you want to let your possibilities open in the afternoon. This is going to be quite an agitated day, but with the same entertaining opportunities for those who are quick to react and also have a free schedule also. And try to stay away from high demands to people you don't know that well. Coming to September 11th, the persons about Aquarius, you may invited to particular fancy event this Friday night, and you will be probably spend and whole day going from one extreme to another. At one point, you are lovely excited and making all kinds of preparations, and then all of a sudden, with no particular cue, you get all disappointed and start imagining how you don't belong there. So, September 11th is completed, and let's see September 12th. Your family will support you endeavors this Saturday, but you are expected to give something in return, and you don't really fancy this. Interesting to see how this will resume, especially if you have to spend large quantities of day in the company of those dear to you. Also, you might notice yourself becoming bitter because of simple things. So, September 7 to September 12, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th is completed, and we will going to move in September 13 and in the next video. And subscribe me. Don't forget, this is Kalyan Pandit, always with you. If you have any doubts, send me the comments.